So today we have with us K Sandeep Kumar. He has secured 46th rank, 46th rank in ECE and 70 rank in EEE in the GATE 2025 examination. He is our classroom coaching student for ECE and he is online student for 3-month subscription for EEE. It is a self-paced program. So today he is with us to discuss about his experiences and his achievement, etc. Hearty congratulations, Sandeep Kumar.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Briefly about yourself.
I'm K Sandeep Kumar and I done my schooling at Vizag. Actually, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I've done my schooling in Vizag and I've completed my bachelor's at NIT Raipur in electrical degree, pure electrical engineering degree. And I have secured 2024 AIR-700 change in ECE and 800 in electrical. This is about myself.
Your main branch is ECE.
No, sir. I have done my bachelor's in electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering.
Electrical.
Then how did you cope up with the subjects of electronics and communication engineering?
I've learned these subjects from third year onwards, like communications and EMTL, EDC, electronic devices, and I'm thinking of getting into electronics domains, like VLSI, communication systems, all these advanced topics. And I'm thinking of with these electrical degree, I can't do anything with EC for EC and Tech. I have to study the extra subjects to getting into the top IITs and do the masters. So I started. Actually, I written GATE in electrical in third year, sir. And I scored around 1500 ranks for electrical. And from third year onwards, I have started like studying the subjects for electronic devices and EMTL. And at that time, not I'm not understanding like heavily. Like I get the somewhat basics. Like in fourth year, I thought that if I do some little hard work and go take a drop, I can do much better than this year. So I've taken the subscription and I've made it great.
So in your final year, you got reasonably good rank.
Yes.
But once you completed your BTech, you got very good exceptional rank. What exactly the reasons for making these changes and getting a good rank? In your opinion, what were the reasons for this? What are the reasons for this?
Actually, I'm in fourth year. For fourth year gate also, I'm very consistent, sir. Consistency, I have not lived in this preparation also, but the teaching, how they teach in offline and online also, the teaching and the schedules are like they have to cope up with that. The schedules and daily classes, going with friends and all. Like if you have taken the drop, you have to take you have to do the much more work to get the good rank. I mean, if you're taking a risk, you have to do very better.
And one more thing, I surprised. Once you decided to switch over to ECE,
Yes.
then why you are appearing for EEE stream also in the GATE exam?
Like in my home, they're like, do well for government jobs, prepare for government jobs, and get into that domain. Don't waste your time. Like there is and I'm thinking of I'm thinking of let's do two things at a time. If it's okay, if it's done, then all right now. Like that, I will did. I have did so.
Okay, that's very good, very good. Actually, with your final year rank itself, okay, whatever rank you obtained in your final year, with that itself, you would have got the seat in good institutions, reasonably good institutions.
Sir, but
you would have done MTech.
But I am thinking of getting into top IITs with a I have to do this specialization only. I have confirmed like this. Like I have to do VLSI only. I have to do microelectronics and VLSI in particular college only. That's why
That's very, very good. What is the reason is, in present generation, very few people have this type of determination. That's why I put that question. Okay, they will be happy with whatever they get. Okay, suppose a simple job in a campus placement, they will join and satisfy with that job. So I really appreciate, even though you got a good rank in the final year in the GATE exam, you did not satisfy with that. That's very, very good. Okay, you have experienced our both types of coaching. You attended classroom coaching as well as you have taken self-paced online coaching also for Triple E. So can you just tell me what are the merits of both of these?
Yeah, much more, sir. Like I've taken for fourth year also coaching. Like I can't tell the name. They won't teach that many things as Ace told. As Ace teachers told, that many things they won't teach. And the numericals are the main parts, sir. Numericals and theory question. Like in classroom, they have in ACE offline and online, they taught many numericals and how the questions will come in Gate. Like uh, in what way, in what way they can ask. Like all the things they told, sir. Like they teach us like in a different way than other teaching institutes, in a very good manner. Like in offline, it is very friendly way, sir. In teaching, in classroom coaching, it's very friendly. We are friends with teachers like that.
Um, Actually, like, what do you suggest to the students who are going to appear for GATE examination in 2026?
Be consistent and be happy with what you are right now, and take the struggles. Like right now, it's like a struggle, but after you getting a rank and going into good institute and taking the placement over there, it's a big achievement. Like struggle now and happy after 2 or 3 years. And be consistent, and if you take the risk, do the job. That's it.
But how could I'm really wondered, how could you cope up with preparation for ECE and Triple E? Still, I'm struggling. Reason, because ECE is having one important subject like communications, apart from all
Yes,
the other
yes.
subjects. And in Triple E, you are having so many machines, power
Our
systems,
system.
power electronics. They are very, very difficult subjects. But how was your planning? Can you tell me? One reason is you attended the classroom coaching. Are you Do you belong to the morning batch or evening batch, Sandeep?
Regular batch, sir. PM batch morning only.
PM
Classes are
only.
like from 6:30 or 7 to 1 or 1:30.
So how did you plan your preparation?
So like I have not done much planning, and I have taken small steps. Like completing one subject is like a first step. Today, if the class is done like at 1:30, I will go and eat and I'll take a study hall. I have taken a study also. And by 2:30, I went there and I will revise the topic, what the sir told today. And after the revising, I will do some numericals in the book. If they are there, I will do some numericals. And after that, like straight 3 or 4 hours, I open a ASAP and I've completed the videos like lectures.
Okay, okay,
In evening, I have done the electrical lectures.
okay, okay, fine, fine. Um, the see in classroom also during our BTech we study many fundamentals, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
you have come up from a premier institute, so
Yes.
definitely the teaching is going to be very good. But what other things made the difference to obtain the good rank in your coaching compared to the classroom teaching? I mean, in your BTech, you learn so many things.
Yeah, sir.
But once you come to the coaching, what are the other things that are going to help you to get a good rank? For example, PYQs, does it help you any
Yes,
aspect?
sir. So
Yeah.
gate coaching is different from the semester coaching, sir. Like
Okay.
semester classes are like very different. They are like very theory, and class is like means it is a theory and PPT. That's it, sir. For gate coaching, we have to do much numericals and we have to know the logic behind the theory. What is happening behind the theory? We have to for the gate coaching. Like in gate coaching, especially like subjects like electronic devices and communications, we have to know many things. And I don't know anything from BTech. Uh, I have to taught by the source only. And I've learned many things that yes, like theory, like the logic behind the theory, why this is using, why we are using this, and how we are using this. All things are told by source only. Like because of them, I'm here, sir.
That's very good. Very good. Suppose, okay, if in your classroom coaching, if you get a doubt,
Yes.
how you used to clarify it?
So
I mean,
if
do you
I
have
get
the opportunity to meet the faculty?
right after the class only, we can meet the faculty, sir. Like sir will wait for us to clear the doubts, and we can go there.
Okay.
Or if by mistake the subject is got completed, we have that platform in ACE app also, sir. We can ask doubts, and sir will told within 24 hours.
Very
That's
good.
one feature in ACE app.
Then what about this 3 months self-paced? You are taken self-paced gate subscription. You are taken for triply.
Yes.
So in that per course, if you got some doubts, then how did you approach the faculty to for clarification?
So there's a section like doubts in the lecture series only. We
Mhm.
can put over there, and little I within 24 hours or 48 hours the doubt will be solved in, like, in recorded series.
That's
Uh,
very, very good. Okay. How was the material of GATE AS Engineering Academy was useful?
like material means I've used them in many ways, sir. Like if I don't understand any topic from the class, if I taught sir, then also not understood, I have taken the book of Ace and I've revised them. And in book they will give like step by step, not leaving any step. I can understood all from there, sir. Many topics I have understood like this. If I can't ask sir if the subject is got completed and now I'm getting the doubt. Like if that's the case, I open book and revise them very clearly.
To my knowledge, I have seen many students failing because of committing mistakes in the GATE exam.
Yes, sir.
So because of negative marking, you know very well.
Yes, sir.
So in order to reduce the negative marking, okay, what sort of measures you have taken?
Sir, I have written many tests before the exam, like mock exams, full length exams, practice tests, topic tests, subject tests. Like if you write many tests, you can that what are the mistakes you are making to happen in the exam.
Yes.
We are learning them in the exams itself. Like before the in test series also we can learn what are the mistakes we are going to do. In that case also in main exam we can make one or two mistakes, but little lesser. Like if we do not do test series and we straight gone into exam, there will be many mistakes like 10 to 15 questions we can do. Like in my third year, like that don't happen, sir. Like many questions we can do negative. If we do the test series, write the exams over there and write the exams conducted by the offline coaching center only. Uh, Making mistakes is somewhat lesser. Like I've done 2 3 mistakes in the gate exam itself. Like I've done this much and I've done 3 4 mistakes in the gate exam.
How many marks you got, Sandeep, in ECE out of 100?
So in EC 70.33, sir. For electrical 66.67.
Very good. Have you done any postmortem on why you missed other questions? Because that is very essential, right? Uh,
Right after the exam, I've seen, sir.
hmm,
Like memory based questions, like
yeah.
we know all the things. Like in memory based questions, I get to know that how did I have read the question many times in the exam, sir. Like one question means it's we I study like 2 3 times in the exam itself.
Yeah, that's very much
Uh,
required.
so after the exam, I thought that after studying 2 3 times also, how did you do that mistake? Like
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
asking myself,
Yes,
after
yes,
studying 2 3 times, how did you do that mistake? Like I'm asking, and in further exams, I may not do that things.
yes.
These are all the failures before the success.
Yeah,
That's
that's very tricky. In fact, that's the reason I have put this question. So the question looks like very simple in the first reading,
simple.
but when you read it second time, then you will understand there is logic involved in that problem. Okay. So that's what, okay, okay. So what was your interesting subject in ECE?
You see, like other subjects are there. Like I like very much like electronic devices, digital electronics.
Okay,
They are much interesting topics.
very good, very good. Did you feel any subject very difficult? Like I mean, difficult to learn and answer?
We have to revise more times, sir, like communications and electronic devices. They are a bit difficult. We have to revise them much frequently, like 1 month, 15 days. We have to revise them for every 15 days, 20 days. We have to revise as many revisions as we do. The topic will be little simple, not that difficult. Little simple, it will become.
In which subject you have lost more marks? And like in the GATE exam for ECE, in ECE stream?
I've lost many marks. Like, sir, in this year, communications, uh, not like previous year. They given many questions from information theory.
Okay.
Many students leave that topic, and I've not left the topic, but I've studied very little less concentrated.
Okay.
That's why I've lost many marks from that topic, sir.
Distance,
Except
three questions.
all, sir, I've almost like four questions or three questions, sir. I've got one only correct.
Oh,
An entropy question correct. Two, three questions from there.
that's very bad. Yeah, I think usually we don't get questions on information theory, but surprisingly this time more questions have come. That is the main
Questions there.
problem. Okay. Do you used to prepare any short notes, Sandeep, for subjects?
I've made short notes for subjects which um, the subjects like control system and signal system, where there are many formulas to remember. I've made short notes for them. I have not made short notes for electronic devices.
Okay.
Uh, this may be little silly, but I have not made short notes for electronic devices. The reason behind it, if you make short notes, like for me, if I make short notes, I have to, I will, I will not, I will not open the main notes. Sir. That's
Okay.
the reason I will not make short notes.
That's a very good point. Very good point. So we don't
If I
require.
not open the, if I not open the old notes, then many things will be gone. Like in short notes, not all the points can be written.
Actually, students neglect this point, but this is very important one. Okay, so you have to prepare from the notes, a short notes, so that a lot of time can be saved.
Yes.
And after understanding the concept, you are preparing the short notes. So
Short
because of
notes.
that, you can easily revise on your own. So this point, students will miss it. I think this you have done it very wonderfully well. And another thing I have observed, I mean, especially final year students, they write the GATE exam. Even though they have the good knowledge, they are not securing the marks. The reason is
Yes.
they are not having idea about the pattern of the GATE examination.
Yes.
How important these subjects like mathematics and aptitude, because many people neglect it, Sandeep. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but how important, I think, as you secured the rank, you can tell me more clearly to the other students how important they are.
So aptitude and mathematics are like one third of the GATE exam. Like
Yes.
with two subjects only, we can score 28, 29 marks. Like roughly 28, 29 marks we can score.
Oh, that is too many. Okay.
Uh, yes, sir. Mathematics, we can't, as an ECE or electrical student, we can't leave mathematics. It's
That's
the logic behind the theory is written in mathematics version, and we can't leave mathematics, and aptitude and mathematics are very important for the exam. Like if we leave them, our rank will be 2000, 3000. It will decrease in very bad manner. Like we can't leave aptitude and mathematics. They are very important for the exam, and the mathematics topics also very well taught by chefs. Like I have not seen in my previous coaching institute also like this much advanced version of mathematics. Like every equation is very well taught, sir.
so. Have you secured 100% marks in mathematics and aptitude, or have you done any mistakes in that?
No, like sir, in aptitude I have lost 1 mark, 1 mark in English questions, sir.
Okay.
Except all I've done well in aptitude. Like mathematics, okay, sir. Like one mark question, I think it's got wrong in mathematics.
In your coaching, do they cover aptitude also?
Yes, sir. Aptitude, English, mathematics.
Everything. They will teach everything. That's very good. So, what are your plans, Sandeep? Now, you want to pursue your MTech in Triple E stream or EC stream?
EC stream only, sir. Like
Okay.
in VLSI, I'm thinking I can do my masters.
Hmm.
Yeah, from an IIT, good IIT, I can do now. So I
Okay.
will do my masters, and after that, I have to think about
Okay. So
writing
you are
exam.
more motivated to go into VSI field.
Yes,
Any
sir.
reason, specific reason for that?
Not, not a specific reason, sir. I'm much interested into electronics. As like I'm saying openly, I've not received, I've not got electronics branch in any college. I have to join the electrical degree. But it's also good, sir. Electrical, electronics, all not all subjects. Some subjects are similar. Some subjects are same. All electrical is also a good thing to do for PSUs and going into government jobs. For going into masters, we have to do a little electronics subjects.
Yeah. I have seen many students who are very ambitious to appear for GATE exam and to get good rank, and they are good students also. They have very good CGPA and percentage in the BTech course, but still most of them are not successful, unfortunately. Can
Yes,
you
sir. I have also
pass on
seen.
some advices to them so that in the fourth year itself they can get very good ranks like what you got?
Like see, semester exams are very difficult. Gate exam is very different. Gate exam is very different. They uh, we have to prepare gate exam differently, like in a numerical and theory way. Semester exams are like pure theory. We have to do much numericals, PYQs, materials for gate exam. Uh, like uh, sir, many students I have seen from for fourth year and BTech, they are ready to get into books, study
Yeah.
from book, and I can clear gate by fourth year.
Yes.
If you
Yes.
study books after fourth, fifth, sixth year also books. There are many books to study. Which topic can come in exam? They don't know. Like they have not much experience in knowing that. Uh,
So coaching is going to help you in that direction.
very better way, sir. Very
Oh,
better way. They know what will come. They teach us what will come in the future years and what had come.
okay.
How you have to prepare
Yeah,
all
that
the
is
things there. Yes, sir.
okay. Once again, I congratulate Sandeep Kumar for your success in the GATE examination, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you for joining us.